Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this Honda CB500F, registered the 30th of September 2020 on a 70 plate with only 3,505 miles and presented in Grand Prix Red. This fantastic example benefits from main dealer service history and a plethora of tasteful extras, which includes Kappa fly screen, brush guards, top box rack and plate, and Oxford heated grips. The CB500 is user-friendly and can be ridden on an A2 license. However, the CB500 isn't just a brilliant beginner bike, it's brilliant full stop. This bike claims an impressive 83 mpg and is a reliable and faithful workhorse that's equipped with an easy-to-read and navigate LCD display. Whether you're riding on your daily commute, headed for a weekend backroad blast, or just hanging out with your riding mates, the CB500 serves as a great option for just about any kind of street ride. This popular middleweight bike will leave us serviced where required with a 12-month MOT, a comprehensive PDI inspection, and 3-month warranty. You also have the option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty for additional peace of mind. We are able to deliver this bike anywhere in the UK and offer a wide selection of finance options. Please note we have a small admin fee of £75 on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01424 444 44 4H or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.